Alright, in the previous video we did set up logging in via our API, but our task resource is still openly available. Now, in order to protect these routes, we need to add a route middleware group, and we will use Auth Sanctum for that, which is the authentication middleware from Laravel. So we'll need to group this and nest all the routes in this group in here. And if we now go to our Postman client, then if we try to fetch the tasks in our API, you'll see that we get an unauthenticated message, because we are now protecting our routes using Laravel Sanctum. So what we need to do here is also add the authorization header using the API token from the user that exists in our database. And with this, we can fetch the tasks again. But there still is a problem with this, because if we are authenticated, then we can fetch the tasks, but we get the tasks from all available users. So let's demonstrate this and head into our Tinker shell and create a new task using the task factory. And as you'll see, this task is associated with another user with creator ID 2, which is not the current user that I'm signed in as. You'll notice that indeed this task is also in the list of tasks that we get returned from our API. So in order to fix this, let's add a global scope to our task model. And therefore we need to create a booted method, protected static function, booted. And in here, we'll add the global query scope. And we'll do that like this. Add global scope. And the scope is called creator, because we want to only allow to fetch the tasks from the creator. And as an argument, it will get the query builder. That's this one. And what we need to do is filter by the creator ID. So we'll do that with a where clause. Oh, I forgot a comma here. The creator ID should be equal to the currently signed in user. And for that we use the auth facade and add a semicolon there. Now let's head back into Postman, send a request, and now you'll see that that task is removed from the list of tasks. And also if we go to our show route, you'll see that if we send a request, and now we need the authorization header here as well, then you'll notice that now we get a 404 for this route. And if we get the task that we are the creator of, then we can still fetch the result. And the same goes for the update and delete routes. With that, I hope to see you in the next video.